All right, here we go with Amy Sheffield and her mini American Shepherd named Pixel. 7-year-old female on course. Small dog agility flying through the weave poles. Great navigation through the tunnel. A clean run so far, going for a national championship title. They won this event in 2017, third place in 2018 at the Purina Pro Plan Incredible Dog Challenge National Championship Finals. Will they find themselves on the podium again in 2019? Wow, 33.88. Amy Sheffield and Pixel dance their way to a national championship title.